right, it's 8:41. Today's Mom's Word. Kids' birthday parties are serving up more than just cake these days. Some parents are actually dishing out legal documents. Get this. Parents are asking other parents to sign a liability waiver before their child actually attends a party or a play date. So is it smart practice or parenting just gone awry? Here to weigh in is our contributing psychologist, Dr. Lawrence Balter, personal injury attorney Greg Gianforcaro, and mother and contributor to Babble.com, Carolyn Castilla. So nice to have everybody here. And Carolyn, when I first heard about this, I was thinking, oh my gosh, I have to sign something. But you actually had to sign something for your 6-year-old to attend a birthday party.
Yes, a class birthday party required a permission slip so that the kids could get face paint. And my position on this is like, if it's a normal childhood activity, you can paint my kid's face, you can give her cotton candy, you can put $1,000 in her college fund. Like, you can do anything positive.
But this is a liability waiver, so they're basically afraid that if something happens in their house, they're basically in charge. The parent is in charge. Yeah. So they're basically saying that you can't, take action against them. So what do you think about that? If you have kids come over and something happens, God forbid.
I mean, I think, you shouldn't be doing anything that requires a waiver. Like, if you're taking kids on a play date to go skydiving, you might need to rethink your plan of action. You know what I mean?
All right, Greg, you are the lawyer, so weigh in, sir.
Look, as a parent, I have 3 children myself. As a parent, I'm probably going to sign the waiver.
Really?
Well, because I don't want to create a lot of hostility between parents and everything.
But by signing the waiver, what do you do?
I'm basically, really, it's nothing.
Okay.
Because legally, in most states, a parent cannot sign away the child's right to sue. And in reality, it's the child that's going to be injured. Okay?
Okay.
So I, as a parent, cannot sign away my child's right to sue the parent. So really, legally, it has no effect whatsoever.
And kids love suing, by the way.
Well,
I don't know.
Yeah, but let's talk about it before we get to you, Dr. Balter. Well, I mean, what do we have? Home insurance, homeowners insurance. Thank you very much for getting that out. I mean, doesn't that cover me somehow, some way on the other end?
Well, absolutely. And that's really why you really don't need a waiver.
Okay.
If you really want to cover yourself, get homeowners insurance, maybe with an umbrella. And if you don't own a home, Suki, then go out and get tenants insurance.
Okay.
But make sure you
have
contact,
something.
Right, and you contact your agent to make sure that's covered.
All right, so let's talk about this, Dr. Balter. Are we just going too far? I mean, I think this is helicopter parenting, but I think this is Black Hawk helicopter parenting gone crazy.
Well, it is. It's a sad commentary on relationships, Don't we have mutual respect and some trust? Does everything get boiled down to a business relationship? But I think, parents do have some options. One is you can sign it this one time and say to the parent, you put me on the spot. I don't want to take my kid away from the birthday party.
Yeah, because what if that's their best friend?
Right, I'll sign it this time, because and then it's also going to cause friction between parents.
Absolutely.
So you can also say, look,
you're not going to Johnny's house anymore.
That's right. But also, if you think something's going to happen here, I'm worried now. What are you going to do that's so out of the ordinary? Maybe I should stick around. So one of the things you can do is either sign or not. But you might want to stay there and supervise or be around so you see what happens with your kid.
Did your kid go to the party?
Well, yeah, it was a class party, and everybody went, and everybody got their faces painted, and they looked beautiful. But look, I don't think it's so much helicopter parenting. I think it's trendy. You know what I mean? I think people are like, permission slips are the new black. Everybody sign one. Oh, my God.
All right, I'm going to leave it at this. We're going to continue this discussion. It's fantastic. But thank you for clarifying the legalities.
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you for giving me parameters, and thank you for speaking your truth. All right, it is 8:40.